Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to correctly refill the Stapler Cartridge R1 in your Fujifilm Apeos photocopier without causing jams, errors, or damage. This step-by-step tutorial shows the exact procedure to safely remove, load, and reinstall the R1 staple cartridge used in many Fujifilm Apeos multifunction printers. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.